So this is apparently our first look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra in real life. These hands-on images of the phone were shared by a user on Twitter. Now this is not the first time we are looking at this design. In fact, recently Samsung accidentally posted the images of the Note 20 Ultra on its website, which revealed the design from the back. But these hands-on images show how the phone actually looks like in real life, because as we know, renders can be sometimes misleading. While the design of Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is going to remain the same as Note 10 series from the front, the design is different from the back. There is a huge camera bump on the rear that is similar to the one on Galaxy S20 Ultra. This camera module includes a triple camera setup and a time-of-flight sensor as well. Now, one of these three cameras is a periscope style zoom lens, so there is most probably the same 10x optical zoom camera as on the S20 Ultra. Now, unlike the S20 Ultra that has the space zoom branding on the camera module, there is no such text on the camera module of the Note 20 Ultra. On the front, there is a single punch hole cutout on the top and the display has slightly curved edges. A noticeable design change is that the S Pen slot is now on the left side of the USB Type-C port instead of on the right side. This is the reason why the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra has the power button and the volume rockers on the right side and not on the left like the Note 10 series. As we know already, there is also a Mystic bronze color option, and that color variant seems to have a matte finish instead of a glossy finish as on the black color variant. As far as the specifications are concerned, Ice Universe revealed in a tweet that the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra has Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset, a 108 megapixel camera, a 120Hz Quad-HD LTPO display, new S Pen and hence new S Pen features. Well, Samsung has not yet announced the launch date, but as per many reports, the launch is happening on August 5th, where some other smartphones like the Galaxy Fold 2 and the Galaxy Z Flip 5G will be launched as well. So, what do you think of the design of Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra? Do let me know via the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.